Choosing the right carpet is a big decision. It's an investment in your home's comfort and style. The perfect carpet can transform a room, making it warm, inviting, and full of personality. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the world of residential carpets. We'll explore the different types of carpets, delve into quality factors, and even discuss budgeting tips. From plush and luxurious to durable and stylish, there's a perfect carpet out there waiting to complete your home. Let's embark on this journey together and find the ideal carpet that reflects your unique style and needs. Get ready to step onto a world of comfort and beauty. Let's start with a classic plush carpets. Plush carpets are known for their luxurious feel. They are soft underfoot and create a sense of warmth in any room. This type of carpet is perfect for bedrooms and living rooms where comfort is key. Plush carpets have a smooth, velvety texture that adds a touch of elegance to your space. They come in various pile heights, which refer to the length of the carpet fibers. A higher pile height generally means a softer and more luxurious feel. However, keep in mind that higher pile carpets may show footprints and vacuum marks more easily. Plush carpets are incredibly versatile. They come in a wide array of colors and patterns to complement any decor style. Whether you prefer a neutral palette or bold hues, you're sure to find a plush carpet that suits your taste. If you're looking to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your home, plush carpets are a fantastic option. Now let's move on to Berber carpets, a favorite for high-traffic areas. Known for their durability and distinctive looped texture, Berber carpets are a practical and stylish choice. They are made from tightly looped fibers that can withstand heavy foot traffic. This makes them ideal for hallways, family rooms, and even stairs. Berber carpets are also known for their stain resistance. Their looped construction helps prevent dirt and spills from penetrating deep into the fibers. This makes them a great option for homes with children or pets. Beyond their practicality, Berber carpets offer a unique visual appeal. The looped texture adds dimension and interest to your floors. They come in a variety of colors and patterns. You can find Berber carpets in natural tones for a subtle look, or opt for bolder hues to make a statement. If you're looking for a carpet that's both stylish and resilient, Berber carpets are an excellent choice. Beyond plush and Berber carpets, there are other fascinating options to consider. Frieze carpets feature tightly twisted fibers that create a textured, almost shaggy appearance. They are known for their durability and ability to conceal footprints and vacuum marks. If you prefer a more casual and relaxed look, frieze carpets are a great option. Saxony carpets, on the other hand, are known for their luxurious feel and elegant appearance. They have a smooth, velvety texture similar to plush carpets. However, Saxony carpets have a denser pile construction, making them more resilient to crushing. If you're looking for a carpet that combines opulence with durability, Saxony carpets are worth considering. Finally, we have cut and loop carpets, a versatile option that combines both cut and looped fibers. This unique construction creates a variety of patterns and textures. Cut and loop carpets offer a balance of comfort, durability, and visual interest. They are a great choice for homeowners who want the best of both worlds. Understanding carpet fibers, the building blocks of comfort. Now that we've explored different carpet types, let's dive into the world of carpet fibers. The type of fiber used in a carpet plays a crucial role in its overall quality, durability, and feel. Nylon is one of the most popular carpet fibers. It's known for its exceptional durability, stain resistance, and resilience. Polyester is another common fiber that offers excellent color retention and stain resistance. It's also a more budget-friendly option compared to nylon. Wool is a natural fiber prized for its luxurious feel, natural insulation, and durability. It's a more expensive option but offers unparalleled comfort and beauty. Other fibers you might encounter include olefin, triexta, and acrylic. Each fiber type has its own unique set of characteristics. Understanding the pros and cons of each fiber will help you choose the best carpet for your needs and budget. Decoding pile density, the secret to long-lasting carpets. Another important factor to consider when choosing a carpet is pile density. Pile density refers to how closely packed the carpet fibers are. A higher pile density generally translates to a more durable and resilient carpet. Think of it like a densely woven fabric. It's less likely to unravel or wear down over time. To determine pile density, look at the carpet's backing. A tighter and more compact backing usually indicates a higher pile density. Carpets with higher pile density are better at resisting crushing and matting. They also tend to hold their shape better over time, ensuring your carpet looks its best for years to come. When choosing a carpet, it's essential to consider the foot traffic in the area where it will be installed. For high-traffic areas like hallways and family rooms, opt for carpets with a higher pile density to ensure long-lasting performance. The importance of carpet backing, a strong foundation. While we often focus on the visible aspects of a carpet, the backing plays a crucial role in its overall quality and performance. Carpet backing provides stability, support, and helps maintain the carpet's shape and structure. It also acts as a barrier against moisture and dirt, protecting your subfloor. There are two main types of carpet backing, woven and non-woven. Woven backing, as the name suggests, is created by weaving together yarns to form a strong and durable foundation. Non-woven backing is made by bonding fibers together using heat or adhesives. Woven backing is generally considered to be more durable and long-lasting, especially for high-traffic areas. However, advancements in non-woven backing technology have resulted in more resilient and moisture-resistant options. When choosing a carpet, inquire about the type of backing used and its suitability for your intended use. Navigating carpet prices and finding value for your money can be quite the task. Now that you have a good understanding of carpet types, fibers, and backing, let's talk about pricing. Carpet prices can vary greatly depending on several factors, including the type of fiber, pile density, backing, and brand name. It's important to remember that price doesn't always directly correlate with quality. Set a budget before you start shopping for carpets. This will help you narrow down your options and focus on carpets within your price range. Don't be afraid to ask about sales and discounts. Many carpet retailers offer promotions throughout the year. Consider the long-term value of your investment. While a higher-priced carpet may seem like a significant upfront cost, it could save you money in the long run if it lasts longer and requires less maintenance. Finding the right balance between quality and price is key to making a wise carpet purchase. Creating a budget for your dream carpet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by measuring the area where you need new carpeting. This will give you a good idea of how much carpet you'll need to purchase. Factor in additional costs such as padding, installation, and any furniture moving or removal required. Consider your lifestyle and the level of durability you need. If you have a busy household with children and pets, investing in a more durable carpet might be worthwhile in the long run. Don't be afraid to explore different retailers and compare prices. Getting quotes from multiple vendors can help you secure the best possible deal. Remember, your dream carpet should not only enhance the beauty of your home but also fit comfortably within your budget. Once you've chosen the perfect carpet, it's time to consider installation. While some homeowners may be tempted to tackle carpet installation themselves, professional installation offers several advantages. Professional installers have the experience and expertise to ensure your carpet is installed correctly. They have the necessary tools and equipment to handle the job efficiently and accurately. Professional installation also often comes with a warranty, giving you peace of mind in knowing that any issues will be addressed. While DIY carpet installation might seem like a cost-saving measure, it can lead to costly mistakes if not done properly. Improper installation can result in wrinkles, bumps, and uneven seams, diminishing the beauty and longevity of your carpet. If you're not confident in your DIY skills, it's best to leave carpet installation to the professionals. Congratulations on your new carpet! Now, let's talk about how to keep it looking its best for years to come. Regular vacuuming is essential for removing dirt, dust, and debris that can dull your carpet's appearance and shorten its lifespan. Vacuum high-traffic areas more frequently to prevent dirt from becoming embedded in the fibers. Promptly address spills and stains to prevent them from setting in and becoming permanent fixtures. Use a clean cloth or sponge to blot the spill, working from the outside in to avoid spreading it further. Consider using carpet protectors in high-traffic areas or areas prone to spills. Carpet protectors create a barrier that repels liquids and stains, making cleaning easier. By following these simple care tips, you can preserve the beauty and extend the life of your carpet, ensuring years of comfort and enjoyment.